Warm greetings from English Flight Academy. In this video, I'll teach you three most confusing homophones. All of these three words on the slide, which you can see, have the same pronunciation. There, and there. Let me explain you all these three in detail. How to use there, and there. These three are among the most commonly confused homophones. So we'll discuss here some tricks and examples to help you use them correctly. Homophones, as you know, are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings too, and at times can be very tricky. There are three in particular that commonly confuse people. They are really very tricky, so let's master them in this video lesson. As I said, there, and there are all pronounced the same way. This causes confusion among English learners, and they often tend to make mistakes with them. In fact, even many native English speakers make mistakes while writing these words. To avoid that confusion, let's focus and learn these three words today in this video. There, T-H-E-I-R, the first one is a possessive adjective. A possessive adjective describes who owns or possesses something. So T-H-E-I-R there is the possessive adjective for the third person plural, that is they, T-H-E-Y, they. There is the possessive adjective as in their car is red. So over here, there is the possessive adjective. More examples, my siblings have a house. Their house is in New York. So in this example, their house means the house of my siblings. In the second example, why are Seema and Asim walking? Their car has been stolen. So their car is referring to the car owned by Seema and Asim. Now moving on to the second there, T-H-E-R-E. This has two common uses. The first one, an adverb of place, and the second one as an introducing subject. So there, when it acts as an adverb of place, what does that mean? When there is acting as an adverb of place, it means to that place, at that place, and in that place. Now, more examples on that. The shop's closed. We'll go there tomorrow. Where do you want me to put the box? Put it there, please. Where's the horse? It's over there. So over here in these examples, THERE there is an adverb of place. Now sometimes there as an introducing subject. So there can introduce the subject of the sentence. There is to introduce a singular subject, present tense. There's a cup of coffee on the table. And there are to introduce a plural subject, present tense. Example is there are some pizzas on the table. Now the third one, THEY apostrophe RE. They are, that is there, is a contraction of they are, as in they're getting married. So the pronunciation remains the same of all these three, there, and there. Now they are, the apostrophe here, let me explain clearly. They are, the apostrophe here indicates that a letter is missing. So the missing letter is the letter A from the word are, right? That's the reason we are writing this apostrophe, because letter A is missing in this. More examples, where are the keys? They are in the kitchen. That's the full form. They're in the kitchen. That's the contracted form. What color are the shoes? They are red. That's the full form. And they're red. That's the contracted form. So, my dear students, we call on there, and there over and over in our writing, here and there. So, master their usage. And An important thing to understand is they're not an easy group of words, but with practice, we know you can master their distinctions. So, in summary, there is the most common. It has the word here in it, which is helpful because it's often about a location, right? THERE there has HERE, and that helps you to understand that it's used about a location. And there always means they are, because this apostrophe indicates the letter A is missing. That's the contracted form of they and are. And there is the possessive form of they. Very clear to understand. So through an example, I just tried explaining with an image there, and there. It's always their idea to go to the beach over there. So their idea means the idea belongs to them, right? Their idea. And over there over here is at that place. And there at the beach means they are at the beach. That's the contracted form of they and are. So let's practice it more through an exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. They are, there, that is there, and there, right? So we are going to just use this. I'll write it so that you understand better. Is that their boat, right? Is that their boat? So over here, there is a possessive adjective. Then we'll be there soon. That means at that place, right? So you're going to use THERE. There is where we disagree. So here there is an introducing subject, THERE. Then when I say they're funny people, then over here it's THEY apostrophe RE. They're funny people. They're planning to host Sally's birthday party. There, THEY again, there. Planning to host Sally's birthday party. They're two of our biggest problems. So here again, they're two, that is problems, okay? They're these two, right? They're two of our biggest problems. The trees are losing their leaves. Here it is a possessive adjective. And I hope there is no snow tomorrow. So over here it's THERE there. Did you know their house is for sale? So here it's a possessive adjective, right? And dash dog is always barking. Their dog. Again, it's a possessive adjective here. Now to understand it more clearly, all the three of them are used in a single sentence so that the confusion completely gets eliminated. So here, dash is still hope that dash dog will be found. So dash offering a reward. So there is still hope. So there, an introducing subject, right? There is still hope that their dog. So here it's a possessive adjective. So they're offering a reward. So again, in the second one, dash was a long wait, right? There was a long wait. So there over here is acting as an introducing subject before their luggage, possessive adjective and contracted form of they and are there. Then again in the third one, there is always there as an introducing subject, another opportunity to get on their good side. They're very flexible, right? The boat over there, the boat over there is their boat, possessive adjective, and they're going to take me fishing next week. Since their plane, right? Since their plane was 2 hours late, they're glad to finally get there. I hope the confusion is completely cleared now. Time to give you top tips to enrich your vocabulary. Tip 1, construct sentences using newly learned words. Make at least 2 meaningful sentences. Tip 2, as always, practice, practice, and practice. This is the only strategy to enrich your vocabulary power. It definitely brings an improvement. Tip 3, read more. This is one of the most important strategies. Read newspaper every day and make a note of the unfamiliar words. If you don't understand the meaning of the word, look it up in the dictionary. Hope you found this lesson extremely interesting and useful. Please like and share the video with family and friends. Let each one of them master these confusing homophones. New viewers are requested to subscribe to our channel, English Flight Academy. Hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Like it and share it with the members of the family and friends. See you next week with another interesting lesson. Until then, keep smiling, happy learning.